Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one tool. It's called Tome AI Presentations. So this tool is used for generative storytelling. Using artificial intelligence, you can create presentations in a storytelling format. So this is how it looks like. If you want to create a presentation, you just have to come to this platform and you can rewrite the text within your presentation. You can also generate presentation. It will choose the images for you. You just have to put in the topic that you want to put. What would you like to do? Add a background video of a cloudy landscape. It looks interesting to create these kind of detailing for your presentation. Using artificial intelligence, you can add titles like introducing CloudHawk, problem, solution, features, benefit, pricing. It is generating your entire slides for you. So now it's asking, show me a few layout options for this. Then it will show you various layout options for this. Now if you see something like templates, you'll be able to see various existing templates that is available here, which you can use to start from. So this is available for educators. You can try Tome. So you can build a powerful story with any type of content here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.